Hi everyone, I'm August. Thank you for being here. This week I did a swipe with a faux pillow using colors inspired by Lisa Marvin art. She did a blowout painting with Canela Sirocco. Beautiful blue background with these bright colors on top of it. Now I didn't use the same colors as her, so this is kind of my interpretation of it. A couple things I'm disappointed about. Number one, the colors don't show up as bright on camera as they do in real life. Number two, I didn't put enough of the faux pillow, so this is a painting. Number three, there was this spot up top here that had like more white pillow showing, so I tried adding a little bit more of the blue color. It made like a dot, so lessons learned. So how we're doing this is I put down a white house paint pillow and then I dumped on this blue color, and that's what's going to stretch out and be the background of our piece. That's what the faux pillow is. After I put that down, I laid out some bright neon colors, came in with this little palette knife, hope you can see it, and then just swiped through it using a SHELEE Art Cell Activator. So the ratios I'm using, I'm doing 3 parts of the Australian Floetrol to 1 part of the acrylic paint. You do have to adjust that sometimes. So when I mix up a new cell activator, I always test it on a little tile to make sure the ratios are correct. Sometimes you might need to add more paint, sometimes more Floetrol, but for the most part, that's what I'm doing. After we did all that, we swiped it, we did our faux pillow, we did all the fun stuff. I got this little dotting tool. Again, hope you can see it. I'm pretty scared of embellishments. I always feel like I'm gonna mess it up if I do anything through the painting. So I'm trying to get more comfortable with that. So after I did the swipe, I came with this dotting tool and just made some lines and circles through it, stretched it out, and this is what we have. So kind of like a practice piece. I know next time more of the faux pillow. I know next time if there's a little bit of white showing, don't try to cover it with more of the paint, because what ended up happening is, as you can see, the blue is lighter up here because it was stretching out. I put the original blue on it, which is darker because it wasn't stretched out. So that's why that little dot is there. I think that's it. Probably too much information like usual. After me, for the tag team collab, is Creations with Tanya. And after her is Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. As always, their videos and their channels are in the description below, so make sure you check them out. All right, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I hope you have an excellent day.